What's the meaning of cooking apple? Cooking apple. Cooking apple.
Cooking apple. Cooking apple. A cooking apple is generally a type of apple that is not usually eaten raw due to its sourness, toughness, or dryness. Instead, it is more commonly used for cooking purposes as it retains its shape and texture when cooked. It has a good acidity level and firm flesh, making it ideal for baking, stewing, or creating sauces. Some popular varieties of cooking apples include Granny Smith, Bramley, and Rome Beauty. When cooked, cooking apples usually have a slightly tart and tangy flavor that complements sweet dishes or adds depth to savory ones.